Sorry, I cut the video, so this is still on adding the pictures. Okay. Alright, okay. So to add pictures, so you wonder how I put this picture here. Okay, so this picture first comes from the internet. But before that, let's do first how do we insert a picture from the computer. Okay, I'll make a new slide. I just click enter and it will create new slide, and in here, okay, add picture from computer. So either we insert it from here and find pictures, so you can browse some photo browser, and yeah, here I have a lot of pictures, or could be from files, so where you save it. So maybe I find in downloads the one I save, but okay, let me see. Okay, maybe this one. So I insert it and I add it here as my picture. Okay, or it could be okay. Add picture from stock images, which is provided by Microsoft. So you just search in here what you'd like to do, maybe some cake. So it will show all the cake, and you just choose that cake that you want and you just insert it here. Okay, it's downloading. Okay, and I put that picture here. Or it could be, let's say you don't have anything in there, then okay, you can browse for online pictures. So you search the Bing. Okay, so you don't need the web browser to do that, so everything from here. But if you'd like to find pictures from the internet, so add picture from internet, then okay, you can actually just add it here as well. Insert picture from online. Okay, but let's say you'd like to browse something. Okay, let me just open a web browser, and let's say a celebrity. Okay, Messi. Okay, so there's a lot of images, but be careful since some of the images are copyrighted. But if it's only for personal use, then you can just copy it. So let me see. Okay, here. So if I like this, usually we download it, we save image as, and then save it to the computer. But if you don't want to, then you can just simply copy the image. Okay, the image is copied, and then you go back to the PowerPoint. And now once you're here, you can just right click and paste it. And now you don't need to download, and just you copy and paste. Okay, so now you have the image. Okay, so as that, but everything as well is already provided here. Okay, so sometimes the picture that we want is not perfect. We need more to edit the photo or the picture itself. Okay, so when we click the pictures, then picture format will appear. So edit the picture through picture format. So that will just appear if you have pictures. So let's see some pictures that we want to edit. Okay, for example here, let's start with okay, let me see, maybe okay, yeah, this one. I copy this and okay, paste it here. Okay, so first thing is that let's say we only choose, we don't want the entire picture, but I only want the ball. So click the picture, picture format will appear, and we crop it. And then move through the corners and just find the ball. Okay, and now you have the ball, but it's too small, so to resize it, you just drag on these corners, the square corners, and make it bigger. But right now it's pixelated, so not recommended. Or you can set here, let's say you set a specific size that is a 3 centimeter by 3 centimeters. So yeah, but sometimes it doesn't, because this is maintaining the aspect ratio. Okay, so that's the size, and if you like to rotate it, there is a ball, so we're still in the picture format, we rotate right or left, or we would like to flip it. Okay, so for example, I've flipped this one, so the messy will now look yeah. So flipping, rotate, okay, to put it back again. Okay, right? And if you'd like to put color, for example, this cake, artistic effects, so you can just choose in here, but it will affect. Okay, sorry for that. Cancel. Let's just create the Google. Okay, so you can choose the color, edit it, or put it back. Just the original one will, I think, do. So I think this is the original. Okay, and if you like it brighter, like to adjust or edit, then you can do so here as well, and see as well other things that you can do. Okay, so one thing as well that PowerPoint can do is that this ball have a background, but I don't want the background, I just want the ball. So you can try to remove the background and mark the areas that you'd like to keep. So you just mark it here, and that, okay, and keep on until it looks perfect, though it's not. And then once you're satisfied, you keep the changes in now, which is left with the ball. Okay, so those are things you can do with the picture. Try to move it, make it bigger, smaller, and try to put it wherever you want it to be. Okay, and last thing about it is that if you have multiple pictures, so for example, I insert another picture from stock images, and I'm just going to choose a random one. Okay, let's say this one. Okay, now it's over the top. So if you want the first image to be on top of this picture, then what you're gonna do is, we see here still on the picture format, either you bring it forward if you want it to be on top, or select bring to front. So message should be now on front. Oh, sorry, I'm choosing the other one, so I need to choose messy and bring it to front, or maybe put messy to the back. Okay, and you can just arrange which one appears first. Okay, and yeah, that's much of it, and you can explore more on the picture format and what else you can do. You can add a border to the picture, and if you like it thicker, something like that. Okay, I'll just remove this. So yep, change the colors. Okay, right, so now learning adding the pictures, you can now do the exercise 1. Okay, wherein you can make 5 slides and make an autobiography of somebody, and making the text beautiful by using the format here, and then adding slides and adding pictures.